Brenda Mhlongo dumps Imbewu the seed. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzazi Soapy Stories, and today we are talking about Imbewu the seed. The actress Brenda Mhlongo, who plays Kamadonsela, has reportedly dumped TV telenovela Imbewu the seed, joining multi-award winning telenovela The River. Sources from ETV telenovela inform City Press that the actress has relocated to Johannesburg to film with the show this month. She joined The River after they offered her a well-paid global contract. It is alleged that the former Generation The Legacy star felt disrespected when she was presented with a lower-paying co-actors contract in 2021 by Imbewu the seed. They are cost-cutting, and instead of letting her go as they did to half of the cast and the crew members last year, they put her on a co-contract, which meant she was only paid per shoot. As a big actress, she didn't take that kindly at all. Brenda Mhlongo joined Imbewu as Fundisa Zwane's replacement, who also left the show because of the same problem. It seems as if Imbewu the seed does not want to pay their employees. Every time their actors leave, it's because of money issues. Last month, they replaced Nkanyiso Mchunu, who was portraying Kuleko Bengu's character, with Case Bia. We don't know if they will cancel Kamadonsela's character or they will replace Brenda Mhlongo with a new person. So now guys, if they replace Brenda Mhlongo, we will have a third Kamadonsela. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. What advice do we have for Imbewu producers? Bye.